Hi, welcome to the PrismERP technical demonstration. Today we are going to learn about service billing in PrismERP. Service billing is used when a business provides services instead of physical products and needs a way to manage how those services are charged. We will follow the whole process of service billing from service items, packages, sales contracts, subscribers, and then billing and invoices. Let's start with service items. A service item is a base definition of a service that will be used in the system for billing and contract purposes. For example, it could be internet service, software support, or maintenance service. For adding a service item, navigate to the new service item option. Enter the service item name here. Here are two types here, on-demand service and recurrent service. So on-demand service is a service that is used only when required and billed only for that single uses. For example, a one-time repair or installation service. And recurrent service is a service that is billed repeatedly based on a fixed time cycle. For example, monthly internet service or yearly maintenance contract. If tax section and subsection are required, select that. I'm going to skip this for now. If any additional description is needed to explain the service item, enter it in this field. Now click Save. We have created a new service item. This is the list. We can activate or deactivate the service name according to requirement. We can also update the details from here by editing it. Now we are going to add services under the service items. From the menu, click on the New Service option. This is the Add Service page. The first section is service information. Select the item type, whether this would be a recurrent or on-demand service. Then select the service item. Enter the service name. Enter the service code. Select the unit of measurement such as hours, days, quantity, or any unit depending on the service type. Select the step size. Step size means the minimum unit or increment used for billing calculation. For example, if step size is 5, then uses will be calculated in multiplies of 5 only. If there is any surcharge applicable, enter the percentage here. I'm going to skip this. If there is any preferred vendor for this service, select from the drop-down menu. Next, enter the purchase VAT. I'm going to skip the tax section and tax subsection. Enter VAT and ST. Enter the sale discount and purchase discount if applicable. Now enter the purchase price and sale price. Check these boxes to make this service available in sales order and purchase order. If any description is needed, enter it here. Now next section is account information. Select the income account. I'm going to keep the default one. Select VDS account. Select receive account. I'm going to skip the prepaid expense account. Then select expense account. I'm going to keep it default. Select the TDS account and the unearned account. After every information has been entered, click Save. We have created a new service. This is the service list. You can activate or deactivate the service. Now that we have added service, we are going to add service packages. So service package is bundle of services grouped together and sold as one plan. From the menu bar, click on the new service package. Enter the service package name here. Select the branch for which this package is being added. Set the start date and end date. If this package is custom, then select yes, otherwise no. Enter any description if needed. From the drop-down menu, select the service or product. We can add multiple services here. Select the billing cycle, whether bills will be collected monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or yearly. This defines how often the customer will be billed. Change the unit cost if required. Select the price type, would be static or variable. Static means fixed price, variable means the price changes based on usage or condition. Enter the VAT percentage if applicable. The system will automatically calculate the VAT amount. Enter surcharge amount if applicable. Enter the quantity. The system will auto-calculate the total amount. After every information has been entered, click Save. We have created a service package. This is the list. Now we are going to move forward to the service contract section. So service contract is an agreement between a customer and the organization that defines which services are provided, how they are billed, and for how long. This is the service contract add page. First, select the party for whom this contract is being created. Select the branch. Set the package start date and end date. Select the reference, survey, and work order if applicable. I'm going to skip this for now. Enter an additional description if needed. From this drop-down, select the package that will be included in the contract. After adding the package, some information will automatically load. Enter service ID if applicable. Select the billing policy, whether this will be partial forward or cycle forward. I'm going to give partial forward. Partial forward means part of the billing amount is carried forward the next cycle. Cycle forward means billing continues automatically in the next cycle without interruption. Now select the service type, annual and listing. Annual means a yearly contract, like annual maintenance, and listing means a service where items or services are listed and billed based on listing structure. Then select the fee type. Enter the quantity, VAT, and surcharge. If we want to change this, we can change it from here, but this information has been automatically loaded by the system. Enter the bill start date. Now click Save. We have created a new service contract. This is the service contract that we just created. But sometimes customers may need to upgrade or downgrade the package. For adding upgrade or downgrade the package, we are going to add two new upgrade and downgrade requests. Select the party, then select the contract, and then select the service. Select the type. Here are multiple types of upgrade or downgrade request. Customer can revise the price, upgrade the quantity, or downgrade. For example, we are going to upgrade the quantity. So this is the current plan. Current quantity is 2. We are going to upgrade it to 4. We can also change the billing cycle if required. Enter any description if needed. Now add the adjustment amount. Click Save. We have created a new upgrade downgrade request. It is in pending state, and let's change its status and approve it. We've approved the upgrade and update request, so these customers service packages will be now upgraded to this requested quantity. Now we are going to the billing section. From the menu bar, click on the billable services. This is the billable services list. Select the one for billing and click on generate selected invoice. If you go to the service invoices list, we can view the invoice there. This is the invoice that we just created. We can use this search panel to find and filter out a specific one. If we set this to backdate, we can view all the previous invoices. Right now this invoice is in pending state. Let's start its progress and complete it. We can also merge it with other invoices and download it. We can also print it if required. So the invoice here is showing the total amount, the paid amount, and the due amount. We are going to have to add a voucher to collect the payment. If you click on this invoice number, it would open the details view. This is the details view. This is the accountant view. From this add voucher option, click on the receive voucher. Enter the amount that we are collecting. Choose the payment method. I am going to keep cash. If any reference voucher and product category is needed, select those. I am going to skip that. Select the branch. Select collection person if applicable. Enter any description if needed. I am going to keep the default debit account and credit account, and now click Save. We have added a receive voucher. Let's accept it. Now we have accepted it, the payment will be updated. As you can see, the paid amount and the due amount has been updated. We have collected 30,000. If there is surcharge in the service contract, you can also add surcharge invoices. From the subscriber option, you can view the subscriber. We can manage their services. We can also manage their contracts. So that's it for service billing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.